Today it is raining. Like, I woke up to rain. It is raining. So I decided to go to the Dollar Tree and get me some supplies, because I haven't done my vision board for 2019 yet. And I'm like, what better day to do it than today? And so that's where we going. We're going to the Dollar Tree, pick up the poster board, probably some markers. I have plenty of glitter. Whatever I see that makes me want to buy it for arts and craft. Like, that was one of my favorite subjects. Well, you know, like, I don't know if it was considered a subject, but when I was a kid, when we had summer camp, or even in school, when we had to just leave class and go to art, and I just love being creative. I love all of that. So vision board just takes me back to, you know, cutting and pasting and creating. And it also gets your energy all juiced up. So your desires, your goals, your wants, all of that energy is going into your creative vision board. And that's what makes it so powerful. Not just cutting and putting something on a board. You know, you have to actually put feeling into your project in order for it to manifest in your life. Anything you want to manifest has to have feeling behind it, and it has to have a good feeling, not the bad feeling. If you feel you can't get something that you're trying to manifest, you're not going to get it. You have to shift how you feel about the situation, how you feel about your worthiness for the situation. And when you shift that to know that you deserve it, you're worthy, it's coming, learn to expect it, getting excited just by the thought of it, as if you're already living it, that is what brings your manifestation to you closer. This journey, I tell you, it's not easy to learn how to manifest. Like, you manifest sometime and don't even know, what did I do to get that? What did I do to manifest that? I need to know what I did to get that, because I could need to do that again, you know? And so it's very, very, very important that you pay attention to how you feel, what you're doing, what brought something to you, like how you were feeling in the moment that you manifest something, days prior to manifesting something. It's just so critical to pay attention to yourself, pay attention to your thoughts, pay attention to your actions, you know, pay attention to your surroundings, because opportunity is in your surroundings, in the people, in the things, in the places, you know. So manifestation requires you to be in tune with yourself 100%. It really does, for you to become a master of, what are they doing? For you to become a master of manifesting what you want. It's like, you know, it's just like, I don't know if you guys, if you're watching my video now, if you've watched my past manifestation videos and things of that nature, or harvest seeds and stuff like that, it's the same thing. When you when you become a master of manifesting, it's like a farmer who puts his seed in the crop. He already know for sure his soil is good. He know that he is going to be very consistent with nurturing this seed, so he has no doubt that it's going to sprout. And when it sprouts, it starts growing, and he's going to get the harvest from the seed he planted. It's the same with manifestation. Once you put out a desire, you have to start acting as if you already know it's here, it's coming. Expect it. You have to nourish it, nourishing it with great thoughts, feeding it, coming to you even more. Nourishing it with affirmations, thanking God in advance for it. You know, talking to people about it as if it's already here. All those things help nourish the manifestation. And not just that, the secret juice is it's keeping you in a high vibration. So the more you talk about the things you want, it helps you, you feel good because you want it. What do you want it for? Because it's going to make you feel better, right? You're going to be happy. It makes you feel good. So if that's the point, then when you talk about it, it's going to make you feel that same way. When you feel that way, it keeps your frequency high as hell. When your frequency is high as hell, it's getting you in alignment for what you're asking for and what you're talking about. It is just keeping you in alignment. And so, yeah, guys, talk about what you want. Have that feeling of just how you're gonna feel once you get it. Just stay in a high vibration, you know. And then once you get into your high vibration, that's the best time to make your vision boards too, you know. So we are here at the store, and I'm gonna go in here and see what they got, guys.
To the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop.
That's what the vision boards for. Get that money. And whatever else you want. Yeah, but money is the key to get to your happiness. Like, once you find happiness within, then you want to get some things on the outside to make you happy as well. Some people desire things on the outside in order to make them happy on the inside. That ain't the way to go, but that's the way some people go. So I just love to put out whatever frequency that I want. After going through, you know, ups and downs in life in the last, it really been going on for about 5 or 6 years. But ultimately, the last 2 years when I lost my mother, I've had to regroup, you know. Regroup, because we have, like from birth, we're kind of like put in our family and we have a role to play, right? My role, being the only girl and the baby, was, as I got older, was to look after my mom, be my mom's best. Like, me and her, I became like her backbone, and her vice versa for me. But the older and the weaker she got, the older and smarter and stronger I became. And with that being said, my role was to look after mom. My role was to be there for her, whatever it may be, before she got sick and after she got sick. And so that became my life, guys. 24/7, I took care of myself, my baby, and my mama. We was the three amigos. That's it. I didn't care about really nothing else outside of that. That's where YouTube came in, and I was able to have a nice outlet with YouTube. Like, go home, set up, film, and that was my little oasis, my little outlet. So I just had my baby, my mom, of course my brothers, but they had their own life. So it was just really me, my mama, my baby, and my YouTube. So when she left, my role shift. So it's like, I'm sitting up there like, well, what is my role? What do I do now? Where do I go from here? Who am I? You know, like, it's crazy that, you know, as a grown-ass woman, I felt that way when my mom left. I should already knew who I was, but I was playing this role while she was here. So now she's gone. So what are you going to do for yourself, Misha? But losing somebody can really fuck you up. And then if it's your, like, everyday person. Like I see her, talk to her every single day. We had something to do every day, except when I worked on the weekends. And for her to go to sleep and not wake up again, that's a big shock to somebody. That's a big shock. And that's your mama, bruh. Can't nobody tell you shit. You gotta go through that on your own with God, and that's what I've been doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm so grateful for where I've come from. It used to be time, like when she first died, y'all, I couldn't even walk. I would think about it and my legs would collapse. Like I just didn't see myself going on. I knew I had to, but it's just in that moment. I look back at that and I'm just so grateful for God's grace. You know what I'm saying? I'm just so grateful for God's grace. Because without it, I don't know what, right? So, anyways, I'm back home now. I'm finna get out. It's raining. I'm finna get out and get started on this vision board, guys. And I hope my talk, helps you guys. That's what I'm doing for. I do it to help you guys. And it makes me feel good, because sometimes when I'm talking and giving advice, it's usually I'm going through things and I need to hear it. I need to hear it myself, or if I'm not, I can always go back to this video and listen to myself, and that feels good, because I always say when you need something, you gotta lead you to it. And sometimes I find myself being led back to my old videos for a pick-me-up. So guys, I hope you guys stay dry if you're in Florida in my area today. And I'm gonna close out my little vloggy, and yeah, happy new year. I hope you guys are setting goals, going after it, being productive, being consistent every single day. Just drop something into the bucket of your dreams every single day, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And until next time, peace, love, and happiness, guys.